So I want to regularly update the parents with the new school announcements, and I used to do this manually, but now I've automated this process, and in this video I'll show you how you can also automate this. So to automate this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits free every month means that you can send up to 100 of announcements for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and you have to open this and make sure to add your WhatsApp number before starting with the automation. And if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, a video tutorial dedicated to it, the same is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. Okay, after opening the dashboard, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and then you have to click on this add broadcast button. Once you do this, you have to first of all select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. For the broadcast name, I'm just going to keep it as new announcement. So I'm just going to type new underscore, then we're going to enter announcement over here, which will be the broadcast name. After entering the broadcast name, you have to select the contact list, and for that you first have to create a contact list. Okay, so from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section, and from here you can create the contact list. If you want to add bulk contacts, you can go on this add contact. First of all, you can add the single. If you want to add bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts and simply upload the CSV file over here. And how can you get the CSV file? For that, just open a spreadsheet, enter all the parents details in the spreadsheet, go on this file, download, and download this in CSV format, and then you can simply upload this. Like this, you can upload bulk contacts and then convert them into the list further. If you want to learn more about this contact section, a video tutorial is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. So I'm just going to select the contact list right over here. You can select multiple contact lists too. It totally depends upon you. Now for the message type, you have two options: pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you want to send a regular message, just select the message type, enter the caption, and simply enter the message. If you want to select a pre-approved template message, go on this pre-approved template message and select the WhatsApp template. But for that, you first have to create a template. So go on the left hand of the side towards this template list, click on this add template, and from here you can create the template. Make sure that the Meta approves the template, then only you can select it right over here. After selecting the template, click on this done, and this template is selected. Now you just have to enter the username and the mobile number. Why? Because before sending this announcement to multiple parents, you first can see how this is going to be sent. So let's say I'm just going to keep the username as Jane user, and for the mobile number, I'm just going to enter the mobile number in order to test this message. So for that, just enter both of these details and click on this send test message. Open your WhatsApp and you're going to check the message over here. We have recently received it. Now let's just go back towards broadcast section, and the message looks fine, so we can send it to multiple parents at once. For that, you have two options. You can send the message instantly, so go on this no send instantly, click on this add broadcast, and instantly the announcement will be sent. The second option is you can schedule it for later, so you can go on this yes schedule for later, go on this calendar and select the date and time for which you want to schedule this. So let's say I'm just going to schedule this for 30th of April 1 p.m. so I can schedule this and click on this add broadcast. Now this message is scheduled, and further, when this message is going to be sent, automatically I can view the stats for the same: how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. And for the failed ones, I can resend them too. If you want to learn about this too, a video tutorial for the same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. And yes, like this, we have learned how to send school announcements on WhatsApp in bulk without getting blocked. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly comment on this video. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials, to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.